Okay.
Ow!
Or is this a complicated machine? Woo! Hello, Brooklyn!
Ow!
Okay, we'll just do some final sound effects. Make sure that all the finely tuned things are really low. That sounds great. That's wonderful. Okay, let's see. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh no!
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Yoko. 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 Oh no. Yoko. 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 Oh no. Yoko. Yoko. Marco Polo. Yoko. 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 Oh no. Sonny Yoko. Sonny. Sonny. Sonny Yoko. Sonny. Sonny Yoko. Bono. Sonny. Sonny Yoko Ono. Marco Polo. Bono. Sonny Bono. Sonny Polo. Marco Bono. Sonny Polo, Yoko, Yoko Ono, Sonny Obi-Wan Kenobi, Marco Polo Bono, Sonny Yoko Ono, Sonny Wan Kenobi, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Kobe Bryant, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Kobe Sobi Yoki, Kobe Sobi Obi-Wan Kenobi, Yoko Bryant, Bryant Obi-Wan Kenobi, Kobe Bryant, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Kobe Bryant, Gumble, drink a Sobi Coca-Cola, Bryant Gumble, why don't you get into that Honda, Yoko Ono, Sonny Bono, drink a Wanda, Wanda drinks a Honda, Sonny Bono, Wanda Obi-Wan Kenobi, Sobi Yoko, drink a Oprah was my OBGYN, my Sobi-Wan Kenobi, OBGYN, my Yoda was a hobo, don't get in that Honda, Yoko Ono, Yoko, Honda, Sobi, drink a Sobi Coca-Cola, Bryant Gumble, Bryant, Obi-Wan Kenobi, Oprah, Bryant Gumble, Obi-Wan Kenobi, OBGYN, my yo-yo mom, Madonna was an Obi-Wan Kenobi, Bryant Gumble, Yoko, hobo, Yoda was a hobo, drink a Sobi Coca-Cola, Yoda, Honda, don't get in that Honda, Yoko Ono, don't get in that Honda, don't get in that Honda, Yoko Ono, Sonny Coca-Cola, Kobe Bryant, drink a boiling Coca-Cola, drink a boiling Coca-Cola, Yoda was a hobo, drink a boiling, burning, busting body, burning, busting body, burning, boiling, burning, busting body, breaking, bombing, buddy solo.
Woo!
Hello? No? Neo? Now? Not now, Neo. Neo, no, not now, Neo. No. I feel bad. I feel itchy. There's been something in that poison I had. I don't know what it was. What that poison did, it made me crazy. But it made me come here. I'm thankful, but it makes me feel so ill. So ill, I tell you. Ladies and gentlemen, I am full of it today.